It's 5 o'clock. You know what that means. It's time to drink. So let's make some cocktails. I always got this one, like, weird. All right. Okay, good. What's up, Team Extra? I'm Jay. Welcome back to my channel where I share lifestyle tips for single women who are knocking on 40 like myself. Today's video is a special video because it's about booze. I love alcoholic drinks and I'm not afraid to say it. I'm not. My favorite liquor of choice is vodka. So today I'm going to show you 3 vodka-based cocktails that you can make that are just perfect for springtime occasions. Come on. I know you're waiting to hear about the cocktails, but before we get started, I just wanted to give a little sub love to one of my subscribers who left a comment. Home Imagination said, "Hi Jay, I'm following you from my new channel. You helped inspire me to start it. I appreciate your channel so much." So thank you so much, Home Imaginations, and I wish you all the best on your YouTube journey, and I really appreciate you leaving a comment and telling me that I inspired you to start your channel. That really means a lot to me, and I appreciate it. Thank you. If you guys want to be like Home Imaginations, then subscribe to my channel, leave me a comment, and I'll definitely show you the love in my next video. Now that those housekeeping items are out of the way, let's get started with today's video. Today's recipes are going to be a spin on a vodka tonic that is really apropos or appropriate for springtime. They're light, they're fruity, they're effervescent, and they're not really heavy like a stout beer or a glass of wine. It's something you can have in a spring daytime or a spring nighttime, all based around vodka, all based around the concept of vodka tonic. So let's get started. Here's what you'll need. A few clean glasses, some fruit for garnishes. I have a Granny Smith apple, a nectarine, and a lime. Some vodka, of course. I got the buckshots. And some sparkling water. First one is going to be my take on a vodka tonic, my lime infused vodka tonic. And we're going to start with a clean glass. And we're going to build inside the glass. So instead of putting the ingredients in a shaker, shaking them up, and then pouring in the glass, we're actually going to build everything by pouring all the ingredients into the glass. And the reason for that is when you have a carbonated beverage that's going in a cocktail, you definitely don't want to shake it. That's just going to make your carbonation flat. When you take off the shaker, it's just going to explode. You're going to have a big mess everywhere, and nobody got time to clean that up. So build your carbonated beverage-based drinks inside the glass. So in order to do that, we're going to start with our vodka. I couldn't find any lime-flavored vodka because don't nobody like me. That's a lie. I could have found lime-flavored vodka, but they didn't have them available in the buckshot size. They only had the plain vodka and some other flavors, but one of those flavors was not lime. I'm hating on that, but c'est la vie. You do the best with what you have. So I got a plain flavored vodka in a buckshot, which means it costs $1, as in a buck. Just one of these little mini ones is a perfect size shot for a single cocktail. The brand is New Amsterdam. They also make gin, but I usually get their vodka. So you just take one of these buckshots and you're gonna pour it into a clean glass. Okay, and then after that, I'm gonna add some lime juice, which I forgot to grab. So I have this lime juice that I got from the grocery store. The brand is Real Lime. They also make Real Lemon, but I like my vodka tonics with lime juice. So I'm just gonna put a splash and a half, perfect, of lime juice inside the vodka. Now I've got my vodka, my lime juice. I'm gonna add my ice cubes. I'm gonna put 1. Do I want 1 or 2? Let's do 2. 2 ice cubes in the glass, and now I'm going to pour my tonic water over it. So instead of using tonic water, I'm actually going to use a La Croix. I know people hate on La Croix, but I actually love the taste of the La Croix. And it's not LaCroix, guys. It's a French word. It's La Croix. Okay, the O-I-X is pronounced Croix, and the whole thing is pronounced La Croix. So anywho, this is a lime flavored La Croix, and because I want a really lime flavor in my vodka tonic version or experimental, what's adaptation? Yes, in my vodka tonic adaptation, I want a heavy lime flavor. So that's why I'm using the lime juice, and I'm also using a lime flavored carbonated beverage. If I was really lucky, I would have had the lime flavored vodka, but hope springs eternal. So I'm just gonna crank this open, and then I'm just gonna fill this up. Now, if you notice, I did not fill the cup all the way up to the rim. I just left a little room there, and now it's time to garnish. There are several ways that you can garnish a lime. Some people do a wedge, but I actually prefer a wheel. So if you're doing, I'm just gonna slide this over. If you're doing a wedge, then you would cut the lime in half, top to bottom, and then in half again. But if you're doing a wheel, you're gonna cut left to right. So just cut off the butt of the lime like that. Get the butt out the way. Cut another circle. Okay, now you have a perfect lime circle, and in order for it to stick on the glass, you just cut a little slit. Woo! Watch it, because it's gonna squirt in your eye. That's what he said. You're just gonna cut a little slit and then stick it on the edge of the glass. All right, so that is recipe number 1. It's an adaptation on a vodka tonic using lime flavor. So I need to come up with a name for this one. Lime, I don't know. I'll come up with something in a minute. But that is recipe number 1. Let me just take a quick drink. Good. You can taste the lime juice, and you can taste the lime flavor in the liqueur, and you can taste the vodka. So that one is good to go. All right. Drink number 2. Grab another clean glass, and this one is going to be, again, another adaptation of a vodka tonic, but we're going to do peach. So we got some peach flavored vodka in a buckshot. Same thing. You're going to build in the glass and bring it up. So you're going to take your buckshot, pour it in your glass. Now this one I'm not adding any juice in. I just want the peach flavor to come from the vodka and from the tonic water. So again, you're gonna drop in some ice cubes. Ooh. Now if you wanted to put in more flavoring, you can get some peach puree. You can buy that at the store. They have them at organic markets. You can actually go to Aldi and get one of those children's fruit pouches, because they're organic and they're non-GMO and gluten-free and vegan. And just get one of those. They sell them individually. Get one of those. It's peach puree, and you can squirt that inside here. That's if you want a more intense peach flavor. But with that peach puree, it also has a lot of sugar in it, because fruit has a lot of sugar in it. So this doesn't have a lot of sugar in the recipe. As a matter of fact, let me look at how much sugar is in the vodka. I don't think vodka has sugar, depending on the type of vodka it is. If it's made from potatoes or grapes or something else. It doesn't have the nutritional content on here, jerks. It doesn't say how many carbs or anything like that. But I can tell you this, that this peach flavored water has 0 carbs and 0 sugar. So there's no sugar in this, at least. So no sugar, possibly some sugar in the vodka, but I don't think so. Who knows? But again, if you wanted to intensify the flavor, just get one of those peach puree pouches that they make for babies. Put that in there. It's going to intensify the flavor, but it is going to add sugar. So I'm going to open this slowly so it doesn't explode everywhere. Don't you do it. Don't you dare explode. All right. Man, I love the smell of peaches. Peach flavored anything. Peach flavored vodka, peach flavored ice cream, peach flavored water. Again, I'm not going to fill it up to the top. I'm just going to fill it up just high enough. And now I'm going to add my garnish. I do love fruit garnishes. I went to the store to get a peach. The peaches were not in, so I had to settle for a nectarine, but that's okay. Same thing as before. I'm going to cut from top to bottom, but I'm actually going to cut the nectarine in a wedge. So I'm already hitting the pit. So I'm just going to cut around the pit to get this wedge out. Come on. Okay, I just got to give it another cut. There we go. Come Come on. There we go. Woo. Being difficult. Now, so already it has a slit in it. So I just need to pop that on the edge there. Or if I want to, I can pop it in the glass. Now, if you wanted to kind of sit on an angle, you just kind of cut the slit at an angle like that. And it'll sit on the edge of the glass like so. So here we have our peach flavored or peach infused cocktail with peach vodka, peach flavored carbonated water. Is it called carbonated water? Sparkling water. Peach flavored sparkling water. And then you can do a slice of peach garnish. But in this case, I had to do a nectarine because they didn't have any at the store. Quick sip. Mmm. Mmm. Oh my God, this is so, man, this is good. Okay, put that to the side. Definitely finish that, but that is really good. Mmm. Okay, woo. All right, final recipe. This one is gonna be apple-based. I also love the taste of apple. I love apple teenies. I like apple candy. I'm a hood girl at heart, so you know, give me an apple sucker or an apple blow pop. I'm in there like swimwear. Again, one more time. We got the New Amsterdam vodka buckshot. This is an apple flavor. $1. Getting turned for $1. All right. Pour that into the glass. Again, we want to build in the glass. Start with your vodka. I wonder what would happen if I started with the water. Let's try it. Okay, so I'm going to pour this vodka in this measuring cup. I'm just going to do that up there. Then I'm going to start with the water. So let's see. I'm going to start with the sparkling water. Don't you? Man, that smells good. If you just love apple flavored stuff, as soon as you open this water, you just get a big whiff. All right, so because I'm putting the ice in and also the vodka, then I can't pour too much sparkling water in there because it'll all overflow. So I think I'm going to stop right there and see where we're at. So I have the sparkling water in first. Now I'm going to pour the vodka in. Now I'm going to put in the ice. Okay, now I have a little bit of room, so let's top it off with a little bit more water. All right. Now for the garnish, I have a Granny Smith apple, a green apple, which is my favorite kind of apple. And again, instead of a wedge, I like a wheel. So I'm going to cut the apple in circles without coring the apple because I like the look of the seed holes in the apple ring. So that's what we're going to do. Actually, I'm going to grab a bigger knife. Small knives are for small fruit. Bigger knives are for big fruit, like pineapples, cantaloupe, Granny Smith apples, and you can use the small knife on things like lemons, limes, peaches, nectarines. All right. Right there. You want to make your apple ring a little thick so that it sits perfectly on the side of the glass. Okay, that looks good. I'm going to do one more. There we go. All right, get these pieces out of the way. Make a little slit so that it can sit on the edge of the glass. Boom! Bob is your uncle, as I say. All right, taste test. Let's see how this goes. Ooh, I don't know. Between the peach and the apple, probably. Oh, man. Man! These are so good, but I don't know what my favorite would be. Now, my lime drink, I drink all the time. So that's like, there's no competition there. You know, it's my go-to drink. It's also my go-to drink because not a lot of people will have, not a lot of bars and restaurants have these flavored vodkas that I like. They might, no, they don't even have apple. Maybe some of them will have apple, but very rarely do they have peach. So I'm happy to, you know, go with what they have, but they typically have a plain vodka, a lemon vodka, then maybe a berry, and a pineapple. But here are the 3 cocktails that we have made for today. Here are the 3 cocktails we made. We got a lime infused vodka tonic using lime juice, lime flavored sparkling water, and then plain vodka. Then the middle here we have a peach infused vodka tonic with peach flavored sparkling water, peach flavored vodka, and then we garnished with a nectarine, but in a perfect world it would have been a peach, but it still looks good. And then finally we have an apple infused vodka tonic with apple flavored sparkling water, apple flavored vodka, and then we garnished with an apple wheel. Ta-da! I'm about to get toasted. If you guys like this video and you want to see more lifestyle tips and tricks from me, then make sure you subscribe to my channel. If you are digging these vodka drinks, or if you have a similar recipe that you want to share with me, then leave it in the comments below. Make sure you like this video, share it with your friends, leave me a comment, I'll definitely respond. Follow me on all of my social media at JSoExtra. If you guys want to discuss some more personal items that maybe you don't want to discuss on YouTube, then join me in my private Facebook group called Team So Extra, and we're going to dive into things that really affect single women who are approaching 40 in our everyday lives. That's all I have for you guys today, and thanks for joining me, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!